and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video is obviously going to be about my recommendations from the Nykaa Pink sale that's going on currently. The wedding season is here. I'm sure that most of y'all would be looking out for some good makeup products, some skincare and whatnot. If that is something you are looking out, then this is your place, and if this video interests you, please keep on watching. Everything from each category, from like some bit of skincare, makeup, and then also some body care as well. So yeah, let's get started with the first one, and that is going to be the moisturizer. And for moisturizer, I have obviously my current favorite, and that is the Cetaphil. And here in this offer you will get like two of these together as a combo, and I think it is priced really well together. If you have like a sensitive skin, this could be your game changing product for sure. So if you want to buy any moisturizer, you can go for this one. I also have one more combo deal from Dot & Key. This is the one wherein you get that barrier repair and the barrier face wash together as a combo, and I think this is such a steal deal. Okay, also most of these products are like cream based or liquid blushes or liquid products, because the winter season is here and the skin needs as much as the cream or hydrating product. So that is why not much like powder products are included in this recommendation. Next product is a skincare one, and that is the face mask that I really like, and I have been using that for a while now by Dot & Key. It is pink clay mask. I love these clay masks because they are really good. They help you cleanse your skin, and if you have like an oily skin, then it's a great thing to have in your routine. Then one more skincare product that I would love to talk about here is the L'Oreal Paris's hyaluronic acid. I think this is my only hyaluronic acid that I've used so far, and I have been loving this one. It comes in two sizes, so you can probably go for the smallest size first to really check it out whether it suits your skin or whether you really like it. And then maybe if you love that one, you can definitely go for the bigger bottle as well. So the next product that I'm going to be speaking about is a primer, and I have my most favorite primer, and it is from the House of Maybelline Dewy Primer. It comes in two varieties, one for the matte and other is the dewy one. It blurs out your pores also and gives you that shine underneath your makeup. And also the main job of a primer is to have like a sticky base, so it creates that also without being like too sticky. Okay, moving on to the next one, I have a few foundations. So the first foundation is definitely, it's going to be from the House of Maybelline, the OG foundation, and it is so good. Like, I don't know how to describe this foundation. And if you are not so much into makeup and if you don't really use foundations on regular basis, just go for the smallest pack of this one, and I think that will be sufficient for you. Even I use the smallest pack. I've never bought the bigger bottle because I never tend to finish them, because I'm not like a foundation girl on everyday basis. So yeah, this is a very good affordable foundation, and also it performs bomb. The next pick is going to be perfect for people who have like oily skin. This is the L'Oreal Paris's 32 Hour Wear foundation in the Infallible range. This foundation is literally best if you have like oily skin, because it has like good control over the oil, and it also mattifies your pores. It's not drying on the skin, but still it will give you that matte finish. So that is why I love this foundation, and I think it is going to be perfect if you have like an oily skin. Then there's one more foundation which is also matte, but it is on the affordable side. It is under like 400 if you don't want to go for the L'Oreal ones. I have also liked this one in the past. I had this bottle, and it is by Nykaa, and it is so smooth in texture, so moussey finish, which I love. And it will also give you that coverage. So this is kind of underrated foundation, I feel. Moving on to the last pick from my sale, and how I cannot talk about this one. I must speak about this foundation, though I have already spoken about this a tons of time, but it is none other than my current obsession, and that is from the brand, obviously you guessed it right, it is from Kiro Beauty. non-sponsored at all, but I think at this point they should think of like sponsoring some of them. Anyways, it is such a bomb product that I swear by currently, and it is serum based. It is perfect for the winter, and if you are a girl who loves like dewy finish foundation or dewy finish makeup look, this can be your go-to makeup product. And if anything that you want to buy from this list, I would highly recommend to buy this one. But considering it will not give you that full coverage, like it is very sheer formula, which I love personally. But if you are someone like me who love the sheer foundations or skin tint kind of a look, then definitely go for this one. Just make sure to pick your shade correct. Talking about the concealers, I have two concealers. One is from the Swiss Beauty, and it is really good on a quite affordable side, but again performs like a luxury brand. The next product is from the House of L'Oreal again, and I think I have spoken about it already. It is their Infallible again concealer, and it is on the higher price side, but now currently it is on huge discount, so you can stock it up. It is very thick in consistency, but it will give you that full coverage. Moving on to my favorite part now, and those are the blushes. I have the Earth Rhythm, and I've been using this one also. It's very like moisturizing on the cheeks, and also you do not need like a big amount of it. It's the tiniest dot that you will require, and it will also give you that sheen with the flush of colors. So the next product is from the Etude House, and it is their water tint, which is also very good. So talking about the eyeliners, the one is this one. It is liquid eyeliner, and this one is so good in creating like the perfect wing because of the brush it has. So the brush actually does the whole magic happen. But yeah, because of this one, and it is also like waterproof. Everything I think whatever I've mentioned are quite affordable. I mean, they are not in the high-end category. They are affordable, but they perform luxury or they perform high-end. So that's the purpose. Powder blushes, I have only one recommendation, that is this from Nykaa. It has like two pans. One is in the pink shade, and the other one will be in like the rusty tone, and you can add both of these together or even separately, and it is not patchy. That's the best part about it. If you want to invest in like eyeshadow palettes, I would suggest to invest in like smaller eyeshadow palettes like these from Swiss Beauty. They perform really good. They are highly pigmented. They have quite of options to choose from. So currently I have been loving like body care products. I have a few recommendations from that category also. The Plum's body wash, Vanilla Vibes, also the Hawaiian Rumba. These two I have personally tried, so I love these. Fragrance is so good. The Vanilla Vibes is obviously going to make you smell like a cupcake vanilla, and the other one is kind of a tropical, that will give you like a tropical vibe. I saw this combo that's going on the Nykaa app, wherein you get like the three of them: Plum, Body Loving, Vanilla, Caramello, best selling trio they said. And in that you have, I guess you have like a body wash, you have the body mist, and you also get body lotion. So I think if you like layer this together, you are going to smell like a vanilla cupcake. Another body care product that I have is from this, and it is from Dove. I've been currently using their peach body wash, which also smells great and very hydrating and smooth, and feels really like soft on the body. We are moving on to the last part of this video. At the moment, what I'm loving and what I'm using the most are these like L'Oreal Paris Infallible in the Resistance range. It is so good. If you are looking for like a long wear lipstick which is not patchy, which is like comfortable on the lips and hydrating also, then I think this is the one at the moment. Also, I have one more lipstick which I really like, and that is from Plum. They are Plum Twist and Go matte lipstick. It will give you the matte finish. It will still not make your lips feel chappy. With that, I am done with my recommendations. One more thing that I wanted to really speak about is that you do not have to buy anything just because it is on sale. Buy it if you really need it. If this video helped you, if you enjoyed watching this one, if you all have watched up till here, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments what other kind of videos you all would like to see, and I will make sure to create it for you guys. Follow me on my Instagram, link is always in the description box below. Let me know your recommendations also from the Nykaa Pink sale in the comments below. I'll see you soon in the next one very soon. Until then, bye.